Welcome to World Gestures. Today's topic is about 15 healthy foods that are actually unhealthy. I know it sounds a bit annoying, but we try to gather some details about yogurts filled with sugar coated fruit chunks to the common belief that fat free actually means anything. We count 15 food marketed as healthy when that simply isn't true. Number 1, cereal. Most people on this earth always start their breakfast off with cereal, and even though most proclaim it's the best way to start your day, that's simply not true. Obviously, the sugary cereal aimed at kids is generally unhealthy, but even the healthy branded ones like Raisin Bran and Honey Flakes contain an equal amount of sugar since the manufacturers destroyed the original vitamins and minerals to add their own preservatives. Even when you find a brand of cereal that retains as much of the original ingredients as possible, the reality is you are still much better off with whole foods for breakfast. Number 2, multigrain and wheat breads. People generally know that white bread isn't the healthiest thing in the world, but fewer realize that the supposed healthy alternatives are that much better. Whole wheat bread is good for you, but the ones you all find on the shelf at your supermarket are hardly ever whole wheat. They are generally made of enriched flour, which are the same ones that had their nutrients stripped during processing. Your risk of blood sugar problems, diabetes, and heart disease may rise unless you incorporate more whole grains in your diet while also helping you maintain a healthy weight. Number 3, reduce fat peanut butter. This is a classic marketing trick to pretend like there is a healthy alternative to a product considered fatty by removing the fat and replacing it with things just as unhealthy. If you get a topping with reduced fat, it just means they have added in sugar and fillings to retain most of the taste while retaining all the calories. Even though checking the dietary information on the back is a confusing, indecipherable mess, you are better off checking it to make sure you know what you are putting in your body than gets a slightly worse tasting product for absolutely no reason. Number 4, muffins. Many consider these a nice bread like snack. Blueberry and bran flavored ones providing as much nutrition as food. In reality, muffins, no matter what style or flavor, are miniature cakes loaded with calorie, unhealthy fats, sugars, and the same nutritionless refined flour found in some supermarket bread. If you feel like buying muffins next time you are at the market, consider sharing one with a friend or even make your own at home, but load them up with fresh, healthy ingredients. Number 5, trail mix. Certain nuts and seeds are actually very good for you, and you can even get ones that includes dark chocolate and dried apricots, still just as healthy, but trail mix is not that. Most supermarket versions come with candy pieces, yogurt chunks, and deep fried fruit pieces, all loaded with calories, sugars, trans fat, and refined carbs. From just a couple of handful of trail mix, you are getting almost a third of your daily calorie intake along with all kinds of salted nonsense. If you are looking for a quick snack, consider more basic nut and seed varieties. Sport drinks. If it isn't already obvious, this product is aimed at athletes and Olympians. Those who push their bodies beyond breaking point. It wasn't aimed to guys who do 5 sit-ups and calls it a day. These drinks contain heavy salts and liquid sugar, and while they are generally considered slightly less unhealthy than soft drinks, there really isn't much difference. Electrolytes will help you regain lost salts in your body, but most people don't need this. Something you should consider is if you are sweating all the water from your body, maybe you should try drinking water. Number 7, pre-made salads. It's amazing what some salads can get away with, to the point where they end up with more calories than the meatiest heart attack inducing fast food hamburger on this planet. There are those who have some lettuce covered in ham, turkey, cheese, bacon, fried chicken, and drenched in mayonnaise, claiming itself to be a salad in the longest word stretching technically ever. Most restaurants aren't guilty for this if they prepare the salads fresh, and you can easily prepare a salad at home yourself. Add in a little tasty meat without going crazy and all the salads you feel like eating. Number 8. Fish. As unbelievable as it sounds, there are a couple of reasons fish contain all sorts of harmful toxins and actually have a slight risk of ending your life. Farm fish, unlike those caught wild and fresh, are kept in horrifyingly bad conditions and prone to disease and parasites. Farmers combat this by pumping them full of antibiotics and chemicals, then feed them gluten, soya, and chunk grain meals until they end up dead and on your plate. Fish also naturally contain mercury, known as one of the most toxic elements in the world, but luckily not a huge amount. Though if you are getting mercury from other methods, then you all end up dead a lot faster, all because you can't get enough for those prawns. Number 9. Fruit juice. This one is mixed because while it doesn't contain some nutritious fruit vitamins, the amount of empty calories and sugar it contains just outright destroys all the benefits. Even if you were drink 2 cans of Coke day after day, you wouldn't be filling your body with anywhere near the amount of calories, carbs, and grams of sugar found in fruit juice. Not even all natural preservative free juice can escape the downsides. Those make up for the lack of calories and sugar by loading it with high fructose corn syrup and additives. Number 10. Pretzels. Now, not all pretzels are bad. You can actually get whole wheat ones that contain a good deal of fiber, and especially when mixed with protein from cheese or peanut butter. Pretzels are better for you than potato chips, but don't be fooled. They don't give your body anything but empty calories. So no vitamins, fiber, minerals or protein to speak of. And if you are eating salted pretzels, you might as well be injected salt directly into your bloodstream. You get almost half your recommended daily intake from one small packet. Number 10. Energy bar. Like with energy drinks, you are obviously only supposed to eat these if you are into heavy workouts, especially if they contain a huge amount of protein. But most energy bars are spiced up candy bars. They contain an equal amount of calories, fats, sugar, and oil, just as bad for you. Energy bars are meant to be effectively meal replacements, so your body has nothing to draw on when it gets exhausted. So if you are planning to eat this, stick with ones that have a low sugar and carb reading, as make sure they are packed on the protein. Number 12. Margarine. Many don't understand the difference between butter and margarine, and since butter got a bad rap back in the day because of the high saturated fat content, most stick with margarine. But there is a news flash: margarine isn't real food. It's a Frankenstein creation of chemicals and oils made to look and taste like butter. Studies have shown you are more likely to get a heart attack from eating toast with margarine than you do with butter. Real butter, preferably grass-fed, is the way to go. Just read the information on the back of the product and make sure it isn't processed. Number 13. Dried fruit. This one sounds amazing because, well, it's fruit. Fruit is supposed to be healthy, but there is something very basic that should be understood. If you are going to have a fresh product sit on the shelf for weeks on end, you're gonna need to add something that will keep it from spoiling, hence preservatives, the most common item food in any supermarket and one of the worst of your body. Dried fruit is loaded with sugar and suffer to keep them going while jacks up the calorie count to insane degrees. A few banana chips can give you over 100 calories all at once. Number 14. Subway. We all remember the marketing campaigns, how they make the food right in front of you. That guy who lost a bajillion pounds by eating nothing but Subway. And to a degree, it is true. The food is fresher than most other fast food restaurants, but you have to understand healthy food depends on your point of view. The meat is processed, everything is filled with preservatives, the sauces riddled with sugar, the extras like cookies and soft drink, essentially junk food bundled with the sandwiches. You might as well go to the McDonald's and order a pre-packaged salad alongside your Big Mac. That's pretty much what you are doing with Subway. Number 15. Fruit yogurt. Even low and fat-free yogurts can't escape the reality that in order to retain anything resembling taste, it needs to be drenched in corn syrup, starch and sugar. Some include artificial sweeteners, which if you are diabetic might set you off and spike up your insulin. If you do get a yogurt though, and believe me, could do much worse for a snack, don't get ones with fruit chunks. They generally contain sugar and preservatives. Just add your own fresh fruit to a vanilla flavor. Thank you for watching. Do subscribers, do smash a like button and do share with your family and friends and do comment us what to be next.